Alright guys, so a lot of you guys have been asking me how I've created my door panels and made them red. I wish I would have recorded the whole process for you guys, but it didn't really cross my mind at the time to do so because I was just kind of go for it. But I'm going to make a short little video for you guys today explaining what I did, what I used, and hopefully it'll help you if you're looking for a little do-it-yourself project for your Jeep, or just kind of want to, bring out the interior of your Jeep. This is definitely the way to do it. I've had nothing but compliments on it, and it turned out really good. It was actually a factory detail from a limited edition Jeep that they came out with called the Red Vapor Edition Jeep. But this obviously isn't the Red Vapor Edition Jeep. I based my project off of that look. Personally think it came out great. Everybody else thinks it came out great. But before we get into this video, I'm going to ask you guys, if you guys are new to the channel, to please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications for upcoming videos. I do have a product review of something that I have just bought for my Jeep, which I'm hoping will be coming in within the next 2 or 3 days, but with this coronavirus stuff, we don't know. But it will be coming in, and when it comes in, I'm going to be doing a review for it. So stay tuned for that. But for now, let's get into this video. It's not going to be too long, and I'm sorry for that. There's not much going on right now because everything's getting shut down. But I'm going to explain to you guys this. Again, subscribe to the channel and hope you guys like it. Comment, like the video, and share with your friends. And yeah, let's get into it, guys. This car, man, look at this wrap. Look at that wrap. Wow. Get over this wrap. It turned out so badass. And look at that. Just wow, dude. Look at that wrap. Wow. Time to show out. These people probably hate me. Alright, so a lot of you guys have liked the red interior that I did to my car on all 4 door panels, as you guys have seen in previous videos. I'm going to sit in the car because it's freezing, but I will explain this to you guys. Behind the door handle, if you open this up, there is a flap, I think you guys can see right there, that if you guys have a flathead or a knife, you guys can pry open. There is a 10mm bolt and a screw back here, so all you're going to need is a socket wrench with a 10mm attachment, a 7mm attachment, and a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. There's a 7mm bolt right here, if you open this little flap up right there. And then aside from that, the only other things you're going to need is to make sure that you pull the whole door panel off the door, which you can stick a flathead screwdriver in between the door itself and this panel and just, easily pry the clips out of the door. Now once that's off, make sure that you pull it over that. There's going to be 2 other wires with connectors, that one that goes to your switch, and then I forgot what the other one's for. It might be for the seat changer or whatever, I don't know. But there's 2 clips back there. You're gonna have to pull those off, and the whole panel's off. It's easy, it takes 2 minutes if you know what you're doing. If you break a clip, don't worry, you can go ahead and replace the clip. It's not that much. So aside from that, when you do get the door panels off, you will turn it around and you'll notice that this whole panel itself has what look like to be tabs. I don't know if they glue them or if they melt them into the actual door panel itself. But you can do one of 2 things. One, you can try to heat them up and push it out, because they're little long. They kind of look like what this would look like, but stuck into the door. And if you heat them up, you can probably push them out, or easily kind of just tap them out. or you can do what I did and just kind of say fuck it and take a flathead screwdriver, stick it in between this piece and the door, but from this piece right here, like on the inside, and just kind of pry it open and break them. Don't worry about breaking them, because when you go to replace or replace this back into the door, you can use Gorilla Glue is what I used, and it sticks right into the door. There's no issues whatsoever. I haven't had any issues with it coming back out or anything like that. The fabric itself, I did go to Bed Bath & Beyond for it. It is a red suede. It's an actual suede. It's not, one of them like fake, suedes or whatever that they make. But it is a suede. It's really thin, and I liked it, and I picked it that way. I think it's about $14 a yard. But it's really thin, and the way I put this on there is I took an adhesive glue. I also took the Gorilla Glue adhesive spray, and I sprayed it and I flattened it along the piece, just enough time for it to sit flat and stick to the piece itself, so it wouldn't come back up and get all bubbly and stuff. And then I stretched it out over the back end of the piece, and I used a staple gun to staple it all in. And as you guys can tell, I mean, it turned out really good. You can't really tell that it's been done by me. It looks kind of like it came with the car. There's this one I messed up on, if you guys have noticed. I think I just tightened it a little too hard in here to where this comes out, but I can easily fix that once I get the door panel off. It's just too damn cold to do so. But everything else, it's super flush with the car. It's not coming off. In here, I mean, it's really flush. I mean, there's no cut marks or anything like that in the fabric. I mean, overall, it's a process. If you're super interested in doing this and you would like to know more about it, you can always message me, and I'd be more than happy to help you guys out with it. But yeah, so that's kind of my little tutorial on how I made this. So pretty much just flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, 10mm and 7mm bolt, is what's in the door. So you're just gonna need the sockets for those and the extension for that. And then you're gonna need Gorilla Glue and adhesive spray glue, just to kind of keep it flat and make sure that this panel gets back into the door. Aside from that, not much else. Just remember to remember how you took the door panel off. Remember to put the 2 clips for the wires back into the door, and to line it up correctly. And aside from that, you're good to go. And then you have this done. Ideally, I think if you're doing it correctly, it should be done within an hour. But don't rush yourself, because otherwise it could turn out like shit. But it definitely makes the car pop on the inside, along with the SRT steering wheel, and it's just a really nice little project that I did. All right, so I hope that little tutorial or explanation of how I did this helped you guys out. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to message me. I'll do my best to help you guys out with the whole project. Worst case scenario, I'll make a video of me taking off my door panels and showing you guys exactly, like, step by step how I did it. Like I said, I wish I would have done it in the beginning, but I totally forgot to do that. I totally forgot to record it. It was just kind of a last minute project that I had going on. Before I close this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Again, I can't stress that enough. If you guys would please support the channel and subscribe to it, it'd be amazing. I'd love that. All you guys viewing this stuff and commenting makes me feel really good about the build, and hopefully, it inspires you guys to do stuff to your Jeeps as well. I also have a new product coming in, like I said earlier in the video, so stay tuned for that and the review for that. You guys are definitely going to want to see that, because that's going to be a fun video. Also, it's going to have a code that I'm going to put in the description below of that video, where you guys, if you do enjoy the product, which I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet, but if you guys do enjoy the product, will get a good discount code from me directly taking you to the website to your exact product. And hopefully it'll help you guys out, save a little bit of money. And then if you guys enjoy the product that I reviewed, you guys can get it for your own cars. And who knows, maybe you guys can make a video on it yourself. But nonetheless, there's nothing else really to do today. I think I'm gonna go home, make some food, so I'm gonna close this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video.